Next topic is Ramakrishna Mission. Dear students, watch the videos fully. At the end of videos, I will post images which is related to topic. The primary achievement of Ramakrishna is ability to attract educated youth who were dissatisfied with the Brahma Samaj. So, with his thoughts and ideas, he attracted educated youth who dissatisfied with Brahma Samaj. After the death of Ramakrishna in 1886, his disciples means ராமகிருஷ்ணாவோட சீடர்கள் சிஷ்யர்கள். So after the death of Ramakrishna in 1886, his disciples organized themselves as a religious community and undertook a task spreading the thoughts and ideas of Ramakrishna throughout India and abroad. The chief spirit behind this task was Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is the disciple of Ramakrishna. Swami Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna Mission and they involved in religious activity and also involved in social causes such as providing education, health care and giving relief in times of natural calamities. Next topic is Swami Vivekananda. Narendranath Datta, later known as Swami Vivekananda, was the prime follower of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He was an educated youth. Swami Vivekananda, influenced by Ramakrishna Paramahamsa messages. He insisted the practical Vedanta of service to humanity. He made a call to Indian youth to regenerate Hindu society. His ideas gave a sense of self-confidence among Indians who felt inferior. He became famous for his address on Hinduism at 1893 World Congress of Religious in Chicago. He condemned by Orthodox Hindus. He suggested lower caste people should be allowed to engage in the Hindu rituals from which they were traditionally excluded. Many Western education young Bengalis inspired by Vivekananda's activities and ideologies. Many of the youth in Bengalis were inspired by Vivekananda during Swadeshi movement and partition of Bengal. Not only Bengalis, Indian youth were inspired by Vivekananda. Next topic is Theosophical movement. Theosophical movement. The Theosophical Society was founded by Madam H.P. Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Olcott. Founded in the USA in 1875 and they shifted to India at Adayar, Chennai in 1886. This Theosophical Society stimulated the study of Hindu classics, especially the study about Upanishad and Bhagavad Gita. The Theosophical Society played an important role in the revival of Buddhism in India. Western interest in Hindu scriptures gave educated Hindus great pride in their tradition and culture. Contribution of Annie Besant. After the death of Alcott, Annie Besant became the president of Theosophical movement. She played a role in Indian nationalist politics and she formed a Home Rule League and she demanding home rule to India. Annie Besant spread theosophical ideas through her newspapers called New India and Commonweal. So these are the two newspaper, New India and Commonweal. Through these newspapers, Annie Besant spread theosophical ideas. Our next topic is anti-caste movement.